English animal collection. Let sleeping dogs lie. To make a mountain out of a molehill. To be a dark horse. Like a cat on a hot tin roof. To have butterflies in your stomach. Let sleeping dogs lie. The phrase suggests that it is better to leave things as they are, rather than risk making them worse by stirring up past conflicts or issues. I know we have some unresolved issues, but for now, let's just let sleeping dogs lie. We don't need to rehash the past and create more problems. To make a mountain out of a molehill. The phrase suggests that someone is making something seem much more serious or difficult than it really is. My boss is always making a mountain out of a molehill. Even the smallest mistake or delay turns into a major crisis in his eyes. To be a dark horse. The phrase suggests that someone is not expected to succeed, but surprises others by excelling or achieving great things. No one expected him to win the race, but he turned out to be a dark horse. He had been training secretly and surprised everyone with his speed and endurance. Like a cat on a hot tin roof. The idiom refers to someone who is very nervous, agitated, or restless. The phrase suggests that someone is uncomfortable in a particular situation and is unable to sit still or relax. He's been pacing back and forth all morning like a cat on a hot tin roof. I think he's really anxious about the job interview. To have butterflies in your stomach. The idiom means to feel nervous or anxious about something, often before a big event or performance. He's been practicing the speech for weeks, but he still gets butterflies in his stomach every time he performs in front of an audience.